Hello everyone, and in this video I'll show you how you can set launch options on any game on Steam in the new UI update. So if you can't really find the launch options location in the new UI, then you've come to the right place. So first we'll of course open up our Steam, and here we're gonna go into our library. We're gonna right click our game. So for example, I'll select Counter-Strike Global Offensive. This will be the same for any game. We'll go into properties then, and here before you used to go into another option right here, but in this we'll just go in right here. So if you want to set options for CS2, then you'll set it to CS2, but if you want to set it for CSGO, then you'll click CSGO, and that will set it for CSGO. Since I want to set it to CS2, we'll set it to CS2. I'll put the launch options right here. That is basically it. I'll even add one more command here for myself. And you can add your command here. Feel free to copy these commands as well. So there you have it, guys. That is how you can put launch options in the new update. So if you found this video helpful, do leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Peace.